Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into MBNA credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the address bar at the top type in MBNA credit card login and press enter. You'll be taken to this next page where all of your search results are displayed. Click on the first link that you see that says My Account Logins Credit Cards MBNA. Soon after you do that, you'll find yourself in this page over here. If you'd like to log into your credit card services, click on the Login button on the left-hand side. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Register button and follow. Once you click on the Login button, you'll end up in the login area. Go ahead and type in your username in the first text box where it says you should name. Similarly, after you're done, head over to the password field and type in your password. Double-check your password by clicking on this little show link at the right corner of the password box. If you'd like the system to remember, you usually need to check this Remember My Username link, but do not tick this box if you're using a public computer or shared mobile device. In case you don't remember your username or your password and who don't know what to do next, click on the Forgotten Your Login Details button at the bottom and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset to a new password. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials correct and you'd like to log in, click on the Continue button. And soon after you hit that, you'll be logged into your MBNA credit card account. I hope that tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.